Hey guys! Today you're going to be working for 10 minutes on your independent novel project. Remember, you are arguing that your independent novel should be taught in the 7th grade curriculum. I want you to look at your planning page now. Please check that your thesis is connected to 2 standards. 1, a teacher standard, and 2, a student standard. Pause this video now and see if your thesis has 2 standards. Great, now check that each standard has one piece of evidence that goes with it. This is the 2nd page. I also want to make sure that you've explained each piece of evidence. You can show it to a partner to make sure that you have both context, what's happening in the book, and a relation to thesis. Pause the video now to make sure. Great! Now you can work on your project planning. Actually, you can just work on your presentation, okay? So I want you to remember, you are not writing an essay, but you are arguing. So you're going to be using the same skills as an essay. You will have a thesis. You will have evidence, and you're going to have to explain that evidence. So start working on your presentation now. You can use whatever format you want. You could use a PowerPoint. You could make a video. You could make a poster, a model of something. I have one student doing something on Makerspace and Minecraft, doing a Makerspace activity on Minecraft, building the setting. Please run ideas by me at the end of class if you're doing something novel. But I really want you to have some freedom in this project. Great. Thank you.